Poutine is junk food. I know we're famous for it here in Quebec. It is junk food, but it really hit the spot.
All my hands were all cut off.
So yeah, I'm in a shaky car right now and just holding the camera. It's gonna be shaky. And yeah, we're a few colleagues. We are going to Poutine Week. There's like 3 Poutine Weeks a year in Montreal because, you know, Quebec and Poutine. But we are going for lunch at Poutine Week. Which restaurant are we going to?
Chez Tousignant.
We are going to Chez Tousignant for a poutine at lunchtime today. So come along with us and check out some of these creative poutine mixes they try to come up for Poutine Week in Montreal. Happy Poutine Week!
C'est tout petit, c'est le même. Sûrement qu'il y a une fourchette.
So Steph, what do you think of it?
C'est un hot dog maison, ça paraît, ça coûte pas comme aucun autre hot dog.
And David, good? How to make your coworkers uncomfortable. Put a camera in their face. Woohoo!
All my hands were all cut off.
Je peux juste pas dire si la sauce vous goûte vraiment le Jim Beam. Je sais pas c'est quoi le Jim Beam.
It's whiskey. So this has a Jim Beam Poutine sauce. Sorry, it's not focusing on my face right now, but here's the taste test. Fabulous artery clogging poutine. It's really good. And just take me to the hospital after. We just finished our lunch, so yeah. I'm not the biggest poutine fan. I'm not a huge salty junk food type of person because poutine is junk food. I know we're famous for it here in Quebec. It is junk food, but it really hit the spot. They make their own sausage and there was cheese in it and bacon, and am I missing another meat?
Ham.
Ham. So we had homemade sausage, ham, and bacon on top of the fries, the brown sauce, and the squeaky cheese because it's gotta be squeaky cheese. So yeah, definitely Poutine Week is fun. I was corrected by my colleague. There are like 3 festivals, but they're not all called Poutine Week. One is Poutine Fest, and one is the Festival of the Poutine. So yeah, people like their poutines here. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with some other videos, and let me know if you like these restaurant reviews. Bye!